Here are the top 7 reasons why fiancé visa cases are better than CR1 spousal visas. Number 7. A fiancé visa gives your loved one a chance to come to the United States and see if they want to live here. The United States is a great country. However, it is not for everyone. Many people will come to the U.S. and love it. Others may either decide that it is not the right country for them or that they are homesick for their home country. With a fiancé visa, your fiancé will be able to have a trial run in the United States, and if it is not for them, they can return home. Number 6. A divorce is not necessary. If your loved one comes to the United States and it does not work out for the two of you, your loved one can simply return to their home country. There is no need to go through a whole messy divorce proceeding. Your fiancé simply returns home and you can both move on with your lives. Number 5. It is much easier to obtain a prenuptial agreement. If you would like to obtain a prenuptial agreement, depending on the state, it should be much easier to obtain one if you are both in the United States. Many of our clients are interested in looking into obtaining a prenuptial agreement. If you are interested in one, you should consult with a family law attorney to go over your options. Number 4. It is easier to qualify financially for a fiancé visa. When applying for either a fiancé or a spouse, a U.S. citizen will be promising, in writing, to repay the U.S. government if their loved one receives government benefits. With a fiancé visa, the U.S. citizen generally has to make 100% of the poverty line for the new family size, while with a CR1 visa, the amount is increased to 125% of the poverty line. Please note, though, while co-sponsors can generally be used under both options, be aware that not all embassies will allow co-sponsors in fiancé visa cases. Number 3. Your family and friends can meet your fiancé prior to marriage. With a fiancé visa, all of the important people in your life can meet your fiancé and let you know if they believe the two are a good match. With a CR1, it is unlikely that all of the most important people in your life can travel to a foreign country and meet your fiancé prior to marriage. As a result, with a CR1 case, you will be getting married in a foreign country without much, if any, input from the most important people in your life. Number 2. It is probably easier to obtain a fiancé visa in some cases. When a person goes the fiancé visa route, they are really signing up for 2 cases. These are the fiancé visa case and the adjustment of status case, which will have to be filed in order for your fiancé to obtain his or her green card in the United States. USCIS will have 2 opportunities to interview your fiancé. While this is open to debate, some claim that because there are 2 interviews, the fiancé visa interview is a bit easier than the CR1 interview. The number 1 reason is that K1 fiancé visas are a faster way to bring your loved one into the United States. Fiancé visa cases are currently processing about 6 months faster than the CR1 cases. That assumes that you file the given cases on the same day. As long as you've met your fiancé in person in the last 2 years and meet the other requirements, you may begin the fiancé visa process immediately. With a CR1 case, you will need to go to your fiancé's home country, comply with that country's legal requirements for marriage, get married, and then come home to start the process. This means that the case will almost always start later than a fiancé visa case, and the overall case will take longer. There are definitely situations where the CR1 is a better alternative than a fiancé visa. However, those points will need to be saved for another video. Prior to filing anything with USCIS, you should definitely consult with an experienced immigration attorney to have your particular situation reviewed in detail. If you found some value in this video, please smash the like button, as it does help with the YouTube algorithm. If you would like a free confidential consultation regarding fiancé visas or other immigration matters, please contact us at 888-801-6558 or at attorneygruner@gmail.com. We have 5-star ratings and we handle immigration cases worldwide.